Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to tell you a short story again related to the use of simple past tense and present continuous tense. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. And we use present continuous tense to express an action or an activity that is going on at the present moment. Then, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Then you should try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about the story as usual. Are you ready? Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. It is Saturday morning now. Mike is calling Jake again. He called her last night, but she did not answer. And she's not answering now. No answer again. What's the matter with her? Where can she be? I'm worried. I'm so worried. Well, now please listen again and repeat after me sentence by sentence. It is Saturday morning now. Mike is calling Jake again. He called her last night, but she did not answer. And she's not answering now. No answer again. Where can she be? What's the matter with her? What's the matter with her? I'm worried. I'm so worried. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my question. Question number 1. Is Mike calling Jake again? Is Jackie answering now? Did Mike call Jackie last night? Did Jackie answer? Did Jackie answer? The last question. Is Mike Brodsky worried? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.